Does alcohol break a fast? Yes, technically it does. It can be a little bit complicated, but alcohol is its own separate macronutrient. There's 7 calories per gram in alcohol, but it doesn't just break a fast in the caloric sense. Alcohol metabolizes into what is called acetaldehyde within the body. Acetaldehyde is a toxin, and the liver has to prioritize metabolism of it because your body is doing what it's supposed to do. Get rid of toxins as fast as it possibly can. So that means everything else goes on the back burner. So when you look at ketones, for example, your liver creates ketones during a state of fasting. If your liver suddenly has to prioritize the metabolism of acetaldehyde or alcohol, ketone production is going to go on the back burner. So best option is to absolutely avoid alcohol altogether. And a quick tip, after you do break your fast, try to be a couple meals or at least a few hundred calories in before you have your alcohol, because you're going to be very, very sensitive and ultimately quite a cheap date. And one more thing. If you're trying to be more mindful of how much you drink, the creators of Zero also have an app called Less. So you can check that out to help you get a little bit more on track with your drinking.